Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to convert normal video to green screen video on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, you must have your green image, and then click the overlay and add your video. Now click on that. Now drag and adjust it the way you want. And then after that, just find the remove background and then click on auto removal, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.